In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter in an email. Whether you're sharing your latest updates with subscribers or crafting a special announcement, this guide will make the process seamless. Let's dive right in. First, open your Canva design. Make sure your newsletter layout looks exactly the way you want it. Clean, organized, and visually appealing. Once you're happy with the design, head to the top right corner of your Canva screen and click on the Share button. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear with different sharing options. From there, choose Download. Now, this next step is important. When selecting your file type, choose PNG. This format keeps your design high quality while making it compatible with most email platforms. After selecting PNG, click the Download button. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your device. This image will be what you send in your email newsletter, but that's not the only way to share your design. Canva also lets you share your newsletter through a link. Go back to the Share button and click it again. This time, look for the option that says Public View Link. Select it and then click Create Public View Link. Canva will generate a unique URL for your design, basically a link that lets others view it online. Once it's ready, click Copy. This saves the link to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into your email later. With your design downloaded and your link ready, it's time to head over to your email platform. We'll use Gmail as an example. Open your Gmail account and click on Compose to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and add a catchy subject line that grabs attention, something like October newsletter, exciting updates inside. Now, let's move to the body of the email. To insert the image of your newsletter, click the Insert Photo icon in the toolbar. Then select Upload, followed by Browse. Locate your downloaded PNG file and open it. The image will now appear right inside your email, giving it a beautiful, professional touch. Next, let's include that Canva link. Click the Insert Link icon, then paste the public view link you copied earlier. You can link this to a button, a line of text, or even your image. Whatever fits your style. Once you paste it, click Apply to save it. This way, your readers can click directly to view the newsletter in Canva if they want to see it in full detail. Before hitting send, take a quick moment to review everything. Check your subject line, make sure the image loads correctly, and test the link to confirm it works. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, click send. You've just successfully shared your Canva newsletter through email. By combining Canva's powerful design tools with your email platform, you can easily create and deliver professional-looking newsletters that stand out in any inbox. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and share it with anyone who's looking to improve their email marketing game. See you in the next video, and happy emailing.